In this video, I'm going to show you how to change fees and slippage on Axiom Pro Trade. So in case you don't have an account on Axiom Pro yet, there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever, so make sure you check that out. Now over here, once you're inside Axiom, if you want to actually change fees and slippage, all you have to do is go down below at the very bottom left where it says preset, and you want to click on preset 1. And over here, you can set your slippage and your fees over here. So, for example, you can leave preset 1 as low fees, and then you can put different fees on preset 2 as well as preset 3. You can also enable MEV protection if you want to, and you can change your sell settings too if you wish. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to press continue over here, and your fees will be changed. And if I now go into a random coin, as you can see, you can then change the coins on the exchange as well over here, so where you can buy and sell. If I have preset 1, those are now the fees. If I do preset 2, as you can see, this has all changed over here, and then preset 3 has changed yet again. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.